opening another vlog. This is the second day of my stay. I ended the other vlog where I just did my morning exercise, so I've freshened up. I want to quickly prepare my son's breakfast and then record a video of how to prepare our cereal instantly. You know, I produce baby food, so our baby cereals are naturally prepared with rice, millet, sorghum, corn, all those natural stuff. So you can prepare it with just boiling water. So I want to cook water. Can you see my glass? So I'm cooking water and I want to make. I'm boiling water. I am boiling water. So I want to quickly make his breakfast, and I'm sticking his glass all dressed. He's hungry. He's reaching for his food. What's that? What's that? What happened? So Tana is here. Tana, say hi. So I want to feed Rotana. Okay. My name is Robina. If you are seeing my face for the very first time, yes. My name is Robina, recording from Lagos, Nigeria. Watch my previous vlogs, okay? So I want to feed Rotana. I prepared the cereal. You know, I make cereals for children and adults. So we are eating Robin Scoop's rice potato cereal. I've prepared that. I'm about to feed him. I want it to cool down. It's hot. Say hot. Say hot. So we have rice, potato, and sweetener in fruit sweetener, not artificial sweetener, in this cereal. So as the second day, most of the team members, my colleagues, they've started arriving. Those from the north and Lagos mainland are already here. Some are still on their way to come. This is still after 8. I don't even know what is happening. Yes. And then get me the teddy. Bring him teddy. Teddy, him. See a donana. Oh yeah, see teddy donana. Donana. Yes. He's making the teddy to sit down. I want to distract him. So today is the first day of the 10th training camp. So you get to see everything. You get to see us. Be on my social media handles, on my Facebook, especially my Facebook and my Instagram. So you will see some TikTok videos I'm going to post. I am Robina Sydney Anyim on my social media handle. Heart. So let's feed. So I'm opening this vlog. Enjoy. Please subscribe and be part of Robina's family. And do have a wonderful time viewing. I don't know when next. Okay, when I'm all dressed, that's when you see me again. So, see you. Bye. Bye. Careful. Ife chokwana. I don't even know what he wants. Oh yeah, come. Mommy. Yes, I This was what he wanted. Are you happy now? Eh? He wants his speaker. Wow, sir. That's the music. Okay. Okay, direct. Can you stop it? Can you? You will keep pushing fine now. Oh, no. Why you pull the job? Every part of the So we are done. What do you say? What do you say? Thank you. Hi. I'm all ready. All done. Yes, Bobo. I'm all ready. All done. All done. A great leader all the way from Aba. Yeah, an OG on this video. You will always hear me say this. She came bearing fruits as usual. Yes?
Rice.
Eh?
It's good.
Okay, another bag came in. Hey, this one is a vegetable. Vegetable, so hey. I need to bring everything out. Do you know why? They say let me do it one by one.
Okay, after me when they came on actually.
Come and join me, guys. Hey, me kind of quite rich. I for sale. I found the aroma and abamine. This is rice, jollof rice. So let me tell you about this our cook. I told you guys I always have a cook that serves us in this program. Her food is always very nice, not the one you eat and toilet to be your best friend. No. Mama, they came with their tongues. So it's very safe. I can trust my son eating the food. Oh yeah, Bia? You reach it now? You reach it?
It's very fun.
You think I'm a return now? On your phone, guys. Come and join me. Okay, fall. Nice. People are around. Can you see? People have come. People have come. People have come. Look at the whole environment. More people are still coming. Some people came with this bus. So people are around. See, I've been so busy inside, I didn't even take note of when they start arriving one by one. And more people are still coming. They just came in this morning, so they are sorting themselves. So, back to my apartment. I want to show you guys the stuff we got from the east from one of our team member, our friend. So, all I have inside this bag is ugu vegetable. Then here is water leaf. The whole of this bag is water leaf. Then this thing, Abia people, you should know what it is. Once oka or something. This one is beans, fried beans. There's a special type of beans in the east. They fry it and eat. It tastes nice, but it's not something I enjoy to eat. Then this is oka, oka. So this is pear. Hey, this pear all soft to one. Something they carried from yesterday now to this morning. So this is it. Let me start going out. Just about to start to go out to create some content and do some videos.
Oh yeah. Must be. I wanted to do a content. Maybe.
Alright, peace out. Hey, wahala dey. We just came in. So I want to change Jotana's diaper. This boy was literally crying. I had to drag him inside. He doesn't want to come inside. He's tired of inside this place. Eh? He wants to be outside. Oh yeah, come and change your diaper. So we'll go. Eh? Bia, ngwa bia. Oh. Bia. Oh yeah. No, leave my bag. Come and change your diapers. So well, let's go. Let's go. Eh? Eh? You chọrọ ịpụ apụ. Ngwa bịa change your diapers first. Bịa change your diaper, then we'll go. He does not want to come into the house. It is the house now. I just want to change your diapers, then we'll go. Bia. Come and change your diapers. Eh? Come and change your diapers. Bia. Hey, Bia. I can see you. I can see you. Come and change your diapers, okay? Let's go. Let's go. I will have to force you. You will not see me forcing you, Sha. Bye-bye.
So my dear friend, love leader, I'm very happy to be here. Mr. Yes or no? No. I to Nigeria.
Dignified.
I am dignified.
I am confident.
I am confident.
I am confident.
I am confident.
I am determined and I'm a winner.
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 I will persevere.
I will persevere.
I will persevere.
I will persevere.
I will overcome and never quit. I will overcome and never quit.
I will overcome and never quit.
I am the best.
I am the best.
I am the best.
I am the best.
I will succeed.
I will succeed.
I will succeed.
I will succeed.
I am successful.
I am successful.
I am successful.
自我充满希望，挑战自我充满希望，将一切不良习惯彻底告别，将一切不良习惯彻底告别，为了理想，为了希望，为了理想，为了希望。为了新生活，
为了新生活，
我们都是昂扬，我们都是昂扬。
It's lunchtime, guys. So want to quickly eat our food. Want to quickly eat our food and go back to the program. I'm a crave cow.
Madam, are you okay?
So afraid. What's that, mommy?
Rosanna. So after the break, I left Rosanna to sleep. He just woke up and the training session had already started. I left. I had to sneak out to come and feed him, change his diaper, and make sure he's okay while I now leave him to continue the training. So this is a tense training where the 5-star and the sisters are being trained today. So, and this is an international training. You qualify for it in the business. TNs. This is the spelling. You can check them up online or can ask me more. So the TNs training, you qualify for this particular training. It's not for every leader in that level. So people qualified, a certain target was given, and those who qualified are the ones enjoying this particular training. So you see that the number of people in the hall are not all that sister level we have in Nigeria. So these are the ones who qualified, although very few did not make it.
Mommy.
Yes. So it's a very intensive training, but let me make sure that my road boy is okay and Robina too also. Robina has eaten her food, yes. So it's the remaining one she didn't finish. I'm giving Rotanna. And this is our chef. You've seen the food now. This is our chef. She cooks very well. I've eaten her food before. I didn't have any problem with it. For her, for her, one for just is there and test. You want water? So the next clip will be what it will be. I don't even know what it will be. The training, I can even hear them from my room where I am. So that is it for now. See you in the next clip. Hi guys, so it's been a very interesting day, very entertaining day. We had our international educational manager, Mr. Yes or No. We call him Mr. Yes or No because he's always talking and say yes or no. We say yes. He will talk and say yes or no. We say yes. So we now nicknamed him Mr. Yes or No. I don't know, his name is something something like that. You should have seen him in the clip before now. So we ended so early, not into the night, so we'll have time to socialize. And then we also have online business presentation. Yes, so Sense is into network marketing, as their business model is network marketing, and we deal on products that has everything to do with healthcare, cosmetics, hotel and tourism, Bitcoin, and other chain of business. But in Nigeria, we are concentrating on the health awareness, hotel and tourism part of the business, and health awareness in terms of supplements, food supplements, in terms of healthcare products. Like what I'm wearing on my neck is part of Change product. This is an aura energy stone. I explained it in my video when I was doing my site. I don't know if the clip was good enough for me to put. So this helps energize your body, and most importantly, protect you from phone radiation. Content creators, business people, my business is online and you don't have an aura energy stone for radiation protection. You need, but this thing, I wake up one day and your DNA is totally different from what it was. That is how bad radiation from phone, electrical gadgets, and all those electrical stuff can cause in the body. And actually God has put something in place to balance those positive energies. I mean, the positive energies that can disrupt our body system, and how this body is wired in electric form. I'm trying to get some layman explanation to this. This our body, we have electromagnetic field in this our body. Anything can disconnect it. Radiations, which are positive energy from anything electrical. Check anything electrical, anything phone, and all what you use. You need to balance it with a negative ion. Naturally, the trees, the plants, the rainfall has lots of abundant negative ions. So if you can always find yourself to the beach, you live inside the thick forest, you can enjoy those energies naturally. If not, get an aura energy stone. It also comes in a form of titanium. I have it here. This is not just for fancy. Underneath you will see the stones embedded in the bracelet. So this is an energy bracelet. It's not fancy. I still have some few ones because it's very rare to get. It's not so much in Nigerian market. So that is it about things. So if you need any information about health and wellness, supplements you can take, follow me on my social media handle, Robbie. I want to say Robbie Scoops. Robbie Scoops is my baby food brand. So Robina Sydney Ayim, that's my Facebook name. I share so many contents on health and wellness thing. Most of my network marketing business, I do it offline or through direct inbox. I don't really talk so much about it online, but I do talk once in a while. Nigerian people don't like network marketing, so we know how we operate this business to be successful in it. And I tell you, network marketing is one thing you should add to whatever you are doing. We have so many professionals in this field. It is a teamwork business. It is business of the people, and there is no, even the woman selling akara is doing people's business. You fry akara, nobody came to buy from you, you will still not earn. So in network marketing, will connect people to use. Imagine me buying this from Tears, buying this from Tears, I bought this from Tears, I bought that from Tears. Buy for my use. I have you buy for your use. The next people you know buy for their use. You generate income. You don't need to carry like hot akara to go around. The same way you come, have you watched that movie? Have you seen the latest? Just talk about Tears to people that way, and you earn. I don't want to preach, I don't want to convince you, but I believe if you truly want to change your financial status, come, let me teach you network marketing. This training is an international training of the 6-star and 5-star. These are people who are in the business and they are doing it successfully. All this crowd you saw, they are much more, cannot be in the wrong place and not earning what is substantial and still be here. The promo they set for this qualification of this promo, the promo they set for the qualification of this training was easy for people to even get. So yeah. Let me, like I said, I don't want to convince you. Yes, I'm not saying this to convince you, but try network marketing. You must have failed. Try again. People fail, they get up and succeed. Even if you fail again, try one more time. Come over to this side of things and try again. We'll show you the way. It is not easy, it is not rosy, but will you be successful? Yes. Just follow our system and follow the training. You will be there. You understand? So thank you for watching, and thank you for being part of Robina's family, and thank you for watching up to this moment. You can share my video, comments. I would love to see your comments. I would love to see my subscribers increase. So please share my content, let other people see what we do in network marketing. We might not show you everything. So thank you for watching my videos. Thank you. I'm so happy that I was able to create this content. It was not really, I almost did not even want to create the content again, but I'm excited I got to this level, and I hope this thing has been recording. God, hope it has been recording. Anyway, I sign out, and I still remain Robina till tomorrow. So there's going to be morning exercise. You see us tomorrow morning. This is the last training day for all we are going to do. So stay tuned. Ciao, bye. Dinner is here, and we are eating a wisi and vegetable. Okay, vegetable not under with hot eba and semo. So we're about to eat. So join us.